The error produced when calling getRiseSet indicates a failure on line 36. You can click the error message link to be taken directly to that line in the editor. At this point, you might wonder what the values of t, num, and k were that caused this error to occur. To determine this, you can set a breakpoint on line 36 by clicking the corresponding black line on the left side of the editor. Then, repeat the same call you made previously to produce the error. The code stops executing on line 36 as indicated by the green arrow. To see the values for t, num, and k, you can either hover over them or use the workspace window, which is currently showing the function workspace. You can also select a snippet of code and evaluate it to see what the results would be. Here you can see that F0 is being asked to find the zero crossing between 0 and 0.0035, which explains why the error is being produced since these points do not cross 0. To get a feel for what went wrong, you might want to step through this whole sequence of code. To do that, first quit the current debugging session. Then, set a breakpoint where you'd like to start stepping through the code. Now, when you rerun the code, execution stops at the new breakpoint, and you can use the Step button to go through the code line by line. On line 34, you might notice the problem. The comment above states that the code is looking for a change of sign of elevation. However, elevation k and elevation k-1 are both the same sign. It turns out that line 34 should use a less than sign, not a greater than sign. To make the fix, first, quit debugging. You can tell you have stopped debugging when the prompt on the command window no longer has the k before it. Now you can make the change. At this point, you may want to run the function without any breakpoints. To clear your breakpoints, use the Tool Strip button shown. Now, when you run the code, it executes without errors.